Let's learn all about our letter F. We have our capital F and we have our lowercase f. What sound does F make? It makes a f. If you are struggling to see the sound or hear the sound, see if you can feel the air coming through your teeth. Like feather. You should be able to feel it. Make sure you bite that tip of the top teeth on your lip, and that will help create the sound. So our first word that our alphabet soup has given us is fish. I like fish. I like aquariums. I'm going to aquariums. Our next one is fan. Fans are so nice, especially in the summer when it's really hot. Our next one is fence. Fence. Our next one is fork. You eat with a fork. Good job. And our last word is firefighter. Firefighter. Firefighters have an amazing job and they help keep us safe and they save us during a fire and are our first responders.